Karishma checking back in with you. I'm here at the Emirates Driving Institute today once again, and you know that license to drive पर मुझे मिल रहा है मेरा license. अब कल जो है is my road test. I've cleared the assessment and अब बड़े वाले की तैयारी, right? So आज I'm going to do something which is pretty incredible. मेरे पास अभी driving license है नहीं, but I can't believe I can actually do this. So you know जब उन दिनों में जब सबके घर में टीवी नहीं होते थे, बस कोई पड़ोसी में एक आध था पड़ोस में जिसके घर पे टीवी हुआ करता था, वो जैसे सीना ठोक के कहते थे हाँ हमारे यहाँ टीवी है. Something like that here at EDI. They're the only ones that can actually, you know, allow their students, have the authority to give their students a chance to actually drive within a solo training, a solo driving yard. So it's got traffic lights that actually work. It's got pedestrian crossings, parking, a real roundabout that you can see back there. You know, that I can actually go around, and I'm actually going to do it. So no instructor in the car with me today. It's just going to be me. And there's a little trick behind this as well. I'm going to tell you what that is. Now that there is Faisal, and he was telling me about how they have a remote brake. So they're going to be able to remotely control the car in case, you know, they find me doing something that's a bit dangerous or hazardous. They're going to hit the brake there, and they also have a control room back there where someone is going to be watching me and keeping an eye on me, so that while I feel that हाँ खुली छूट मिल गई है, मैं कोई गलती ना कर दूँ, so the car is in safe hands even while you know, I'm doing my little bit oh ये check कर लूँ वो check कर लूँ, all of that. So I have a lot of confidence that I'm going to be able to do this on my own today. So shall we come. You're going to be remotely controlling.
In case if you make any mistake or if you're gonna come somewhere, you know, I have a remote.
He has a remote with him. He has a very soft voice also. But the idea
exactly.
is that he has a remote with him. It's here.
Yeah,
And he's going to use it. He's not afraid to use it.
of course I have to do it.
Nice space actually to practice a lot of driving all by yourself. Sort of I have a little better judgment. So this solo training thing, the solo driving is really a great way to see how ready you are to get out on the roads all by yourselves. When इतनी तेज भगाई है गाड़ी 20 की स्पीड पे, it was really amazing. It was a lot of fun, and I can't wait for tomorrow to get back to you and tell you well how my final road test goes. I think तैयारी तो अच्छी हुई है. You know, lots of classes, lots of practice, lots of training, and now with this I have 30 minutes, by the way, of, you know, just being on the roads on my own, and this is just the thing I need before I get into that test wali gaadi kal. So keep following our journey right here on city1016.ae/EDI.